Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot oil. Carrot oil is rich in vitamin A and E and beta carotene. Really helps with moisturizing the skin, healing wrinkles, and just leaving the skin really nourished. It's such a simple recipe. Basically, in the container there I've got olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and I've got 5 grated carrots. I'll leave the exact millimeters of oil that I used in the description box. Basically, I cooked the carrot on low heat for about half an hour until the carrot had this like really brownish texture where you could tell that it wasn't soggy anymore and all the nutrients has been transferred from the carrot into the oil. Let me know if you guys would like to see me use this to make some kind of lotion for you. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below. So basically I'm just showing you guys here. It's starting to cook. As you can see, it's starting to brown a little bit, and that's how you know that it's ready and you're ready to strain it so you can separate the oil from the grated carrots. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Support me, give this video a thumbs up as well. So basically, I think at this point my carrot is ready, so I'm just going to pour it through a strainer. As you can see, the oil now has a very orangey color, and that's how you know that the nutrients from the carrot has been transferred into the oil. This is just a close-up shot of this. This can really help to like even out the skin, especially if you have darker areas of your skin that you're trying to blend well with your the other parts of your skin. This is a good oil to incorporate into your skincare routine. It's really good for hair as well. It can really help to condition the hair. So this is done. This is how much I made from all that carrot oil making. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you like to see me use this to make a lotion. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!